I am around 50 meters away from the monkey repellent, and behind the monkey repellent it is placed on this electric pole, and I am walking towards it now. And this is the direction from which monkeys come mostly from. And now the monkey repellent got triggered. I am around 15 meters in front of the monkey repellent, and it's making this noise. Right now I don't have any monkeys coming in, so I can't show you the monkeys running away, but it really helps in chasing them out. Unfortunately, monkeys have found out different direction to come from now.